Hey, welcome back. It's been a long break, but I'm ready to start back up again. Anyway, so I thought of an experimental series that I'm going to call Copying Art, where I break down and learn from the art styles of famous artists and make an original artwork using their styles. So I don't think anyone have done this before, that's why I'm going to try it. But anyways, the first artist will be someone that start up this channel. That artist is Naterx. Her. Neytirix. That artist is Neytirix. So I've been following Neytirix YouTube channel for quite a while now, ever since the first PewDiePie video was out. Yeah, I've learned a lot from her, but I'd never actually tried her art style before, nor even apply it in my artwork. So yeah, I think this will be a good opportunity to learn something new. So her style is this cartoony, anime thick line look, supported with great lightings and the pufferfish. So first, I'm just going to watch her latest videos and learn her art style again, refresh my mind, and all of that. Alright, so while I'm watching the video, I just want to say thank you all for supporting me and sorry for the trashy mic. It's all that I have, but I still hope that you enjoy the video. So what I usually notice in Naterix arts is that she would usually duplicate the base colors of her art and then darken that and use that as shadows. I'm going to show you what I mean. Alright, so let's say I have a box here. She would darken the color and then that's basically the shadow. Then erase some parts for the lights. Then yeah, that's basically what she does, or that's how I see it. What I also notice is that her outline or line art have an opacity in the pen. For example, this would have no opacity, right? But she used this brush, so she would add an opacity for the brush. So whenever there will be a color underneath it, the outline will also have a color, as you can see there. Now, the most interesting of her is her characters. It's somewhat so innocent, yet so dangerous. I don't know how. But the most important part of her art is the line work. But the most important part of her art is 1, the line art, and then 2, the lighting. So I'm going to start off with that. Alright, so my goal here is to make this as close as possible to her style. But I'm not used to outlines, but I still want to challenge myself. I am also having a hard time getting the proportions of Neytirix, that's the horse-like creature. The problem is, I used a dog as a reference instead of a horse, which is really frustrating, but it's too late now and I have to stick with it. I just hope that it turns out good and I won't disappoint everyone who's watching this. Anyways, just enjoy the video. I like to love you every day. I like to love you. I like to love you. If I may. I like to love you. I like to love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you. I like to love you. If I may. I like to love you. I like to love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may. Okay, so it's night. I took a long break, but this is our progress so far, and I think it's looking great. But I want to recall back to the thing that I said earlier about the outlines. So if we zoom right here in this particular outline, we can see that it's not completely black. It's actually like a dark brownish color. See? So yeah, I'm just going to work a little bit more on the background, refine some stuff, and yeah, let's keep going. I like to. I like to love you. Okay, so this was the thing that I was talking about earlier about how Naterix use shadows. So yeah, if you can see here, I darkened the base colors and erased the parts where the lights hit. So yeah, I'm just going to keep working on this and make it as close as possible as Naterix style. And yeah, let's keep going.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may.
Alright, so this is our progress so far. It's nowhere near the way she does it from her original art, but for a one-day practice, I think this looks pretty good and I'm pretty proud of it. Now there's one thing missing here, and that is lighting. In all Naterix art, the lighting is super good and super high quality, and the way she does it, I believe, is she uses color dodge. Now if you check this, just add a new layer, set it to color dodge, pick a color, airbrush, and just gently always gets me every time. Yeah, so it's just add better lighting for your art, and I always use this. I learned this from Ross Dross, and yeah, that's basically how she does her art. So I'm just going to work on this a little bit more, maybe refine it, add a little bit more detail before I go to sleep. So yeah, that's basically it.
If I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to.
So that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please understand that this is for educational purposes only, and I'm not literally trying to copy anyone's art despite the title, but I hope you find this useful. And if there's an artist that you want me to copy next, just leave it in the comment and like, subscribe, and all that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and bye.